one line to another. I'm at Kyoto, Korea National University of Education. Seoul National University of Education. Let's see if we don't get killed in the crowd. So I'm going from the green line number 2, or green line number 2 to the line number 3, which goes up. Rainy Saturday, it's kind of early, so there's not a lot of what time is it? It's 3:30. A lot of high school boys. Another platform. And I want to catch the one on the left here, which means that's okay. There's so many people. Lots of people in here. It'll be more crowded in Gangnam at night. The station's busy now, so I always walk to one end or the other of the subway. Fairly safe, so I'll stick around here maybe. So now I'm at Kyoto, Seoul National University of Education station, ready to go north. The next stop is Express Bus Terminal. Have a great day, talk to you soon. Gotta change, so I'm